In this video, I am going to tell you the mistakes you might be making when drawing anime hair. Drawing anime hair is one of the most difficult things you face when you're starting your drawing journey. But don't worry, many people in their starting career make these mistakes, and if you know what those mistakes are, then you can stop making them, and then your art can go from this to this. That's why I'll be sharing these 5 mistakes that beginners make and how you can avoid making them. What most people do is go into too much detail at the start of drawing. What this can do is make your drawing looks very disconnected. Beginners often fall into the trap of diving straight into the drawing hair stands. They pull every single hair without considering the overflow and the silhouette. The result, hair that looks overly busy and lacks natural movement. To avoid and fix this, please start with the basic shapes. What you wanna do here is draw a very simple shape for your hairstyle. For example, let's say I'm drawing short anime hair. So to do that, draw the simple shape of hairstyle and then lower the opacity and create a new layer, and now you can start to draw the hair details that you want to add. And since you already have an idea how the hair is going to look like, what its heights, the volume and flow will be, now you can add the details and it will look much better if you were just drawing like before or going straight to the details. This is a very common mistake that you might be making and drawing like a beginner. What most people do is neglecting the hairline completely and make it look like this. To fix this, remember when drawing anime hair, imagine the head divided into 4 sections: front, top, back and sides. This division helps us understand where the hair grows from. Avoid creating an unclear chunk of hair. Instead, think in 3D. The central crown usually sits between the front and the top section and near the center. Consider this center crown when determining the flow and the direction of the hair. Anime hair tends to be more voluminous than real life hair, so don't hesitate to make it bold and eye-catching. Lastly, split the bang into left and middle and right section and consider what is front of and behind the ears. This ensures your hair follows the 3D structure of the head, resulting in more accurate and realistic drawings. One of the things that makes anime hair different from real life hair is the volume. Compared to real life hair, anime hair tends to have more volume in the hair. That's what makes this anime hair look so good. So what you need to do is understand it first before drawing the hair. But gravity is also important when drawing anime hair to look good. The mistake people make on this is not paying attention to how gravity affects the hair no matter what hairstyle you are drawing. Hair obeys gravity. Consider how it falls, whether it hangs straight, curls or defies gravity with spikes. Using reference is one of the best things you can do to make your hair look professional. Most people when drawing the hair don't use reference, but if you use them, you will have an incredible amount of options and understanding of different hair. Observe real life hair and study anime characters. Notice how hair behaves in different situations. Whether you're drawing flat hair, curly or short, it doesn't matter. You can use the reference to improve the details and overall your drawing. Drawing without reference can be like navigating a forest blindfolded. When you're stuck, search for the reference photos. Not just the anime drawings, but real life people too. You can use platforms like Pinterest, Instagram and DeviantArt. Using a reference isn't cheating. It's a common practice among creative artists. Even your favorite artists use references. Real life hair behaves differently from stylish anime hair. References help you capture natural flow, texture and volume through which you can have understanding of hair. Anime hair is often more detailed and expressive. They also emphasize emotions and character traits. When drawing anime hair, remember shape and volume matters. For example, straight black hair feels serious, while fluffy curl evoke warmness. But remember, there are no strict rules. Let your hand flow and experiment with art. By using reference, observe your favorite anime drawings and see how the hair makes you feel and use that as an inspiration. Let's see why your character's personality is very important when drawing their hairstyle. Hair isn't just aesthetics, it's a reflection of the character's identity, emotions and backstories. This can help the viewer understand the character more. Wild, unruly hair for the rebellious character, or slick, elegant hair for refined personality, or maybe quirky, astronomical hairstyle for unique individuals. Consider the character's role. Is she a warrior, a scholar, or a mischief spirit? Their experiences and emotions shape their appearance. Long, flowing hair can evoke femininity, vulnerability, or mystery. Short spike hair may signify strength, independence, or defiance. Bold colors like fairy red or electric blue convey intensity. Soft pastels evoke innocence or dreaminess. Dark shades hints at mystery or hidden depths. Hair transformations mirror character growth, from messy to polished, from short to long. These changes resonate with the audience. Neatly tied hair for formal occasions. Shonen protagonist often has spiky, dynamic hair. Shoujo heroines may sport softer, flowing locks. And remember, every strand tells a story, so tell yours too. And there you go. These were the few common mistakes that beginners make when they draw anime hair. I hope you found this helpful, and for such videos like this, like and subscribe.